Welcome to 1080 Folsom Residences in Soma, where the vibrant pulse of San Francisco sets the stage for your student adventure. Discover a world of possibilities within the meticulously designed apartments nestled in the heart of San Francisco's dynamic Soma district. Whether you prefer shared or private living, Folsom Residences is here catered to your comfort. Each space is thoughtfully furnished with cozy beds, elegant mirrors, premium linens, and chic vanities. Hang out in style and create unforgettable memories in the buzzing common area. Breeze through laundry day with the on-site facilities and never worry about chores with the cleaning services. Need a quiet place to study? The well-equipped study room is at your disposal. And the location? Your student home is just a 9-minute drive from the prestigious Golden Gate University, with beautiful beaches and tantalizing eateries right at your doorstep. Ready to start your journey? Your dream residence at 1080 Folsom Residences is just a click away. Head over to amberstudent.com now and make it yours today.